Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you one of the best recipes in the world, an easy egg coffee with ginger that will energize you and boost your health. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's dive right in. For this recipe, we'll need some fresh ginger, walnuts, chili pepper, coffee, and honey. Each ingredient brings amazing benefits, so stick around as we break it down. First up, ginger. Cut off about 1.5 ounces, around 40 grams, and grate it finely. Did you know that grating ginger releases its powerful aroma? This means that all the health benefits become more available to your body. Ginger isn't just tasty, it's a natural aphrodisiac. It improves circulation and boosts libido, perfect for energy. Now, take that grated ginger and squeeze it through a fine mesh strainer. This juice is packed with benefits that can help improve metabolism and strengthen your immune system. Next, let's talk about walnuts. Just 3 to 4 walnuts are enough. They're not only delicious but also great for men's health, supporting heart health and boosting testosterone levels. Put the walnuts in a bag and crush them with a mallet. This makes it easier to release all those wonderful oils. Now, add the crushed walnuts into the bowl with the ginger juice. We're also adding 1 teaspoon of dried chili pepper, a natural stimulant that boosts metabolism and warms up the body. The star of our drink is, of course, coffee. Caffeine boosts testosterone, improves blood circulation, and helps you focus. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. This not only sweetens the drink but also enhances its antioxidant properties. Now, stir everything well to ensure each sip is packed with nutrients. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it steep for 15 minutes. This will allow all the flavors to meld and maximize the health benefits. After 15 minutes, pour the mixture into a mug and add 1.5 cups, 400 milliliters, of boiled water. Cover it again and let it steep for another 20 minutes. And voila! Your libido-boosting drink is ready. Enjoy its powerful effects and let me know how it works for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on more amazing recipes. And tell me in the comments what's your favorite way to boost your energy? See you next time.